This is the new image of Noticias Univision, modern, energetic, dynamic, in sync with our changing times and our viewers' demands.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. The message you are hearing is part of a nationwide live code test of emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
It's a drastic change from where we started 30 years ago when Noticiero Univision was born.
Muy buenas noches y bienvenidos al